Well, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Richard Simons here at the Oldtimer Centre with a really fabulous opportunity. I'm going to tell you why. So in 2024, this was built by Porsche in mid-2024. It came with a standard warranty of a few years, and the current owner has bought an additional 4 years of warranty. So from 2024, that's a 7-year warranty, and on a Porsche that's a 2024 with 30,000 kilometres, that is a fabulous, fabulous asset to have, including the list of options I'm going to read to you without boring you. This car is a one-owner car. I think the best thing about it is this gorgeous colour. People say, but it's not black, or blue, or white, or silver. All of those are boring. This is a beautiful colour. At night time, it's a very dark, dark shade of burgundy, almost black. But in the day, it's this gorgeous cherry burgundy colour with beautiful cream leather upholstery, and it's a GTS. So you don't need turbo schmurbo or anything like that, but the burl walnut interior, the cream stitching across the leather dash. It is the newer series car. Everything's the flat buttons and touch screen, and it has the upgraded exhaust switch as well. The Thule roof racks can come off, black alloy wheels, and a plethora of options. The colour's called Copper Ruby. It's got the extended leather package, which is black and Mahova, 2,700. Heated multi-function steering wheel, the ionizer inside, pano roof, the crests on the seats, on the headrest, the Porsche crests. It's got ventilated seats in the front. The wood we've spoken about. The side blades painted in the exterior colour. The roof lining is in race tech. I mean, that was $2,000 almost. The instrument dial's in Mahova Beige. Traffic jam assist, so that if you are in a bit of a traffic, it will help you. Comfort seats. 14-way electric comfort seats. It's got a storage pack. It's got a dash cam. It's got the logo and the courtesy lights. It's got a compass, the sports chrono. Door sill guards, thermally and noise insulated glass, $1,500. I mean, privacy glass. And the roof rails, which have been painted in high gloss black. So that's not the roof racks, that's these rails. So it's this cherry dark burgundy with black additions. But for PSCB brakes, the Porsche surface coated brakes, $5,000. Holy moly. We just bought a whole Mercedes for $5,000. And the front of the car is wrapped for its protection against stone chips. This was an extremely expensive car and $26,000 of options on top of that when it was brand new. So I think what we're asking is very fair. The interior in the back has barely been sat in. The back seats obviously do fold forward. It's got 21s, red brake calipers. The paint's gorgeous. I mean, cameras everywhere, Bluetooth and so forth. But let's talk a bit about us first. The Oldtimer Centre have been trading since 1994, and we've sold Porsche all the time. Beautiful Porsches, and this, you just get in it. It smells new, it looks new, it feels new, and I think it's going to hold its value very well. Interesting colours sell. You don't have to sort of... it's the first person who likes this colour is going to fall in love with it and buy it. In the back of the car, still in the plastic, is the cargo cover, some extra floor mats, even the area on the end of the boot above the bumper bar where you put stuff in and out, that's still got the plastic on it. I'm going to open up the bonnet and so forth. These beautiful headlights look fabulous. It's even got the black and silver style premium number plates. Different driving modes. Wow. Air conditioning in the back, 12-volt chargers, all the headrests are present. You can fold the seats down in 3 different ways. And as I said, this walnut interior is just superb. It's got the Bose sound system. And the Oldtimer Centre won the local business award for automotive excellence. The 2.9 litre V6 with the turbochargers and things like that. It really is an unbelievable car to drive. I did a drive day actually out at Sydney Motorsport Park a little while ago, and there was GT3s, 911s, whatever, and then all of a sudden there was the Macans. literally running rings around some of the 911s. They really do sit on the road very well. And speaking of which, there's a lovely new MX-5 driving past. Hello. This is a much better car, but that sits on the road very well. So let's talk a bit more about the business. We do sponsor major car clubs. We're the platinum sponsor of the Sydney German Auto Fest car show day. But look at this. You'll see as the camera moves, and I've got the darkness turned down a bit, you can see the colour is just superb. Under there is phenomenal. We haven't cleaned this car at all, so you'll see it's exactly as it's come in. But the alloys are in lovely condition, the P0 tyres, but this is what it's all about. This absolutely beautiful interior with the leather on the doors, with the stitching, the walnut, the memory electric chairs. I love the fact that those dials are the same colour as the interior. And that walnut on the glove box is just second to none, gorgeous. They've got a huge amount of legroom for a small to medium sized car. I'll get you a bit more brightness there so you can see. And there's you can adjust the temperature in the back. You can put USBs and so forth. The GTS is the car everybody wants. Oh yeah. Big, large pano roof. Certainly don't feel claustrophobic in here. Get those baffles. Hill descent, steering assist. There's the ionizer, aircon seats, heated seats, dual zone climate, everything's touch screen. Sports chrono up there. Pop them into reverse. Overhead cameras, side cameras, front cameras. Oh my God. Different driving modes. Bose sound. I know I'm boring you, but who cares? I love it. I want you to please also make an appointment to have a look at this car. It is not going to be on site all the time. Look at that. To me, that is a black car with a bit of burgundy in it. I'll crank up the light a bit so you can tell I'm not trying to. I just love it. My mum once, my dad bought her as a surprise a BMW 3 Series in this colour. She absolutely loved it. It was the thing that sold the car. It's got the Porsche cargo mat. All the stickers, the original stickers are all intact. Oh, 4 exhaust pipes. Very current look. It's got the rear washer wiper, the bidet, and that walnut interior is just gorgeous. The crests in the headrest we spoke about. 29 to 31 Antoine Street, Rydalmere. Just look at that, isn't that? Imagine that in your driveway or your garage every day of the week. 9569 9999. We really do look forward to seeing you. Again, please make an appointment. Thanks for watching.